Alright guys, so what I'm going to do today is show you how to do the output to web using Photoshop Express. So what I'm going to do is first open up the program. Again, you can download it free on the App Store or on Android, Photoshop Express. So I'm going to select the photo I took of my dog. So there's Bisu right there. So what we're going to do this project, we're going to click on the crop. So right here, the crop button. And so it gives you a rule of thirds layout. You can switch between different device specific crops, or you could do a freehand crop just by dragging from the corners or the sides. So I'm just going to give it kind of more of a square crop here, kind of cropping the top and bottom. And so what we want to do is, if I click on the adjustments, it'll actually commit the crop. So how do we save this to a specific size? So when I go in the upper right here, that little output button, you'll see some different options. Let's see if I can get it. So where it says the size here, you can actually click on, it should be set to original size. I'm going to switch that down to custom resize at the bottom there. So I'm going to click custom resize. And in that custom resize, I'm just going to type in on the biggest dimension. So whether it's a horizontal crop or vertical crop, I'm going to switch that to 1500. So as you can tell, I've already done this for it, but I'm just going to type in 1500 on the height because that's slightly bigger than my width. If it was a wide crop, then I'd do the width to 1500 and then hit done. And so then I'm just going to go back to this, and you'll see here in the little size window, now it's 1500 by 1316, my quality. I can switch that to maybe like 90%, so it's a less file size. There we go. And then go back. And then what I'm going to do is just hit save to camera roll. And so it's going to save that file. It says your photo has been saved to the camera roll. So it upload the original photo and then my cropped and sized photo to my Flickr album. Thank you.